Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to generate PDF invoices in WooCommerce store. Let's get started. In order to make this possible, we need to install in here plugin. So just head over and then look in here for plugins and click on this add new plugin. Once you have clicked on that, let's head over and try to search in here for a specific plugin called PDF invoices and tracking slips for WooCommerce. So let's search in here for this. Let's just search in here for PDF invoice because it's so long. Now in here, let's just search for that. Now you should be able to see in here this PDF invoices and tracking slips for WooCommerce right here. So what you can do in this case is to just head over and then just click on this install now. So don't mind this additional plugins right here because we already have WooCommerce plugin installed to our store. If you haven't had that already, just head over and then install this particular plugin. Now from in there, click on this activate. And then from in there, it should be activated. So head over and click on this refresh now right here in order to refresh your site. Once you have installed it, scroll down until you can see this option for settings. Now on the settings right here, select WooCommerce. And then from in there, you should be able to see in here this WooCommerce settings. So I can head over and click on this shipping. And on shipping, you should be able to see in here some packing slips as well. So here's this local pickup and also this WooCommerce shipping. So you can head over and click on that. And then from in there, you should be able to see this option that we can actually see right now on our screen, which is called shipping labels. So by installing this, you can choose the paper size as well as the payment that will be charged on this label that you will purchase. You can choose in here the email receipt, service selection, package selection, and you can also add in here the packaging that will actually be added. You can head over and click on this add package again if you want to use a service package or a custom package. So if you want to use a service package, you can choose which ones of this one right here. So let's head over and click on this. Click on this add packages and they should be added right here. Once you have done that, click on this save changes from in there. Now in here on our actual shipping labels, once it's been generated, the email of the PDF receipt will be added on our actual email. Now you should be able to get it from in there and then just send it to any customer, the invoices of your actual order. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.